So today I'm going to talk to you about how you can go from being somewhat of a social drinker. You might drink on the weekends and you might drink every once in a while during the week, but you want to cut down your drinking or you want to take it out of your life completely. So this video is for me to help you with that. This video isn't for me to tell you whether or not you should drink. I mean, that's up to you. But if you feel like it might be causing a little bit of a problem, or you feel like it might be helpful if you cut down drinking or you took it out of your life completely, then that is where I'm here to help. So, another point, if you have an alcohol addiction, then this video is beyond the means of what I can help you with. I can certainly talk to you about some like tactics that I've used and some sort of like mindsets that have helped me, but this may be beyond the means of what can help you if you have an actual like alcohol addiction. So yeah, I just wanted to make that clear. Yeah. So I'm at the point where I feel like I don't want alcohol. Like I just don't like drinking anymore. And the last time I drank was on Christmas, which was like 6 months ago. And even then, I drank like half of a drink, and it just like, drinking half of it, I was like, this is just gonna lead to something I don't want. And yeah, it's been a while since I actually got like drunk. So yeah, being this long away from alcohol, I can notice a difference, and it's a good difference. I feel like alcohol is a toxic drink. Like it's something that, and I'm just talking about it in like an energy sense. I'm not really going to get into like the science or anything, but just in an overview, like alcohol is just a toxic drink. And so if you have some sort of frequency of drinking it, you know, say like 4 times a month or 5 times a month, 6 times a month, 8 times a month. You do that throughout the year. Think of like it's just a lot of like toxic stuff going into your body. And so just think of how that affects your state, your overall like energy state, and overall like mental health. It has a negative impact. And so maybe you are starting to like realize that. Maybe you like drink and then the next day you're like, shit, like why did I do that? Like now I feel like shit. And you know, if you have a hangover, it might take you a day or two to recover. And by you being out a day or two with a lower energy state, then it's just really going to set up the rest of the week at like a different pace than if you were not to drink and have that in your body, if that makes sense. So you might start to realize that it is causing a problem in your life, but you feel like it's tough to quit. Like you can't imagine like taking alcohol out of your life completely because that's what you do. You go out on the weekends, you drink socially with your friends, and it's very acceptable. It's kind of the thing to do. And you'd be the odd one out if you were the only one not drinking. So it's tough, and I have experienced that myself. Like, you know, my process of not drinking alcohol, like, just kind of gradually gradually went down. And, I'm at the point where I still go out sometimes to events like, family events. There will be alcohol there. I'll be offered drinks. I'll be offered drinks. And I'm at the point where I just tell people, oh, no, no, thank you. I don't drink. I've identified as someone who doesn't drink anymore. And now anybody who knows me as, oh, Michael doesn't drink, or Michael just doesn't drink anymore. So it's kind of gotten to a good point to where I like that people don't even really like offer me drinks as much anymore because they know my like character as a guy who doesn't drink anymore. And so that's the overall goal I want to get you to, if this is what you're looking for, or at least help you like cut down. So, what are some things that you can do to cut down on your drinking? Well, the key is to like do it gradually. You know, you don't want to go from being somewhat of a social drinker. You might do it every weekend. You might do it on Friday nights and Saturday nights every weekend. So if that's your case, then you don't want to go from that to just like cutting it out completely. Like that is just an unreasonable goal. So for you, what you might actually want to do is to like instead of first, what you want to do is like put a number on the amount of times you drink. So like I said, if you do it Friday nights, Saturday nights, and you do that every weekend, the number that you would have is 2 times 4. So you drink 8 times a month. Well, the next month, try to bring that number down to 6. See, like that doesn't feel too hard, right? Like all you got to do is eliminate 2 of those nights that you drank. And so then you are only drinking 6 times a month now. And now the next month, maybe try to take 1 or 2 nights out again. And so now you're only drinking 4 or 5 times a month. So you keep on doing that, and what you're doing is gradually decreasing the amount of times that you drink. You're getting less alcohol in your system. You're going to get more energy back. So that's one way. Another like tactic that can help you is because it might be tough, when you're offered alcohol to say no, like, oh no, I'm good, or I don't want to drink, or I'm not going to drink tonight. You know, the key is what you tell your friends. So, like, for me, think about it. I tell the people that offer me drinks, oh no, I don't drink. So immediately they're gonna be like, oh, okay, like, oh, this guy doesn't even drink. Like, I'm not even gonna try to offer him anymore. But if you tell people, oh no, I'm good, I'm trying not to drink tonight, they're gonna be like, oh, you're trying not to drink tonight. Why? Like, why are you trying not to drink tonight? And they're gonna question you, and you're more likely to give in if you like say the phrase I'm trying not to drink tonight or I'm trying not to drink right now. You're more likely to give in. So the key is the phrase that you use when you're offered a drink. So you need to like creatively come up with a phrase that can help you in each situation. Like if it's a family event, maybe tell your family, "Oh no, I'm good. I don't drink no anymore." And they might ask you why, but they won't offer you any more drinks because you told them, "Oh no, I'm good. I don't drink anymore." So the phrasing is very important and simply just lowering the frequency that you drink. And you do that by putting a number on it and gradually decreasing that number. So hopefully this helps. And, if you need any more like strategies or like phrases that might help you out, then I do personalized coaching. You can check out the link in the description. I help people with addictions, like porn addictions, get rid of your bad habits, and I can help you start eating healthier and working out consistently. So if you like this video, give it the thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.